Assalamu alaikum. This is 11th chemistry, and our today's topic is about the nomenclature of these carbonyl compounds. That means the compounds which have got carbonyl groups, like we have aldehydes, we have got ketones. So you can see here, this I have shown here, this is an example I have shown here. This is an aldehyde, you can see here. So you can see here, this is we have to select the longest chain, which in which we have to include this carbon, this aldehyde group. So you can see here, this is 1 2 3 4. So it's a 4 carbon compound, that is it is butanol. And this becomes as the substrate. This is ethyl group and this is methyl group. So we can write 2 ethyl, this is a 2 ethyl 2 methyl butanol, or butan 1 al, because aldehyde group is at carbon number 1, and we have to number it from here, from this here you have to number it. Then I have shown one more example here. This is again you can see here, this is an aldehyde group here, and this is to be included in the parent chain. So parent chain consists of now 3 carbon atoms. There are 2 options available to us. This is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So at carbon number 2 we have got this methyl group. So it is 2 methyl propanol, or propan 1al. Then I have shown here, this is a ketonic compound. You can see here, this is a ketone, and we see this is here at carbon number 2 we have got this oxo group. uh, and we see that also we have got a double bond at carbon number 4. So the numbering is to be started, it is to be started from this end, so that this carbonyl, this carbonyl group, that is a ketonic group, it should get the lowest number. So you can see here, and at carbon number 4 we have got this this is olefinic bond here. Now, so 1 2 3 4. So at carbon number 4 we have got this double bond, and it is a 5 carbon compound, that is pent 4 in, pent 4 in at carbon number 2 we have got this ketonic group. So pent 4 in and 2 on, pent 4 in and 2 on. You can see here one more example I have shown here. This is an aldehyde group over here, and this is and the chain consists of 9 carbon atoms, including this aldehyde group. So it is nonane, and we have got an aldehyde group. So it is known with this double bond at carbon number 3, and we have got also at carbon number 2 we have got this methyl group. So we can write, we have to number it from this side, 1 2 3 4 up to carbon number 9. So this is nonane. So then at carbon number 2 we have got methyl group, and at carbon number 3 we have got this this is a double bond. So it is 2 methyl known 3 enol, because at carbon number 3 we have got this olefinic bond, that is ene. So 2 methyl, 2 methyl known 3 enol. Now you can see here, I have shown here again. So this is a 5 carbon compound. You can see 1 2 3 4 5, and at the ends we have got two aldehyde, these groups, CHO group over here and CHO group over here. So both the groups have to be included in the parent chain. So it is a dial. Now also we have got a olefinic bond over here, the double bond at carbon number this at this carbon. So if we number it from this, that is 1 2 3, then at carbon number 3, and then we have got a double bond. If we number it from this side, then 1 2, so double bond gets and this get us the carbon atom bearing this double bond, it gets it gets us the position 2. So we have to number it from this side. So then it is pent, since we have got 5 carbon atoms, so it is pent 2 in and 1 5 dial. One more example I have shown here. This is we have got a ketonic group over here, and we have got an aldehyde group over here. So out of the two, this aldehyde group, it takes priority over this ketonic group. So this becomes the principal and this functional group. So numbering is to be started from this end, that is 1 2 3 4 5. At carbon number 4 we have got this we have got this oxo group or keto group. So it is a 5 carbon compound, so we can name it, this is 4 keto or 4 oxo pentanol or pentanol simply. Now another example I have shown here, you can see here, this is a ketonic group over here, and this is an alcoholic group over here. So out of the two, this ketonic group, it has got priority over this alcoholic group. So this becomes as a substituent, while as this becomes the principal functional group. So numbering is to be from this end, is to be done from this end. So 1 2 3 4, at 4 carbon, carbon number 4, we have got this alcoholic group. So it is 4 hydroxy, 4 hydroxy butane 2-one. Another example I have shown here, this is an you can see this is a 4 carbon compound, 1 2 3 4. At carbon we have got a ketonic group over here, and we have got an aldehyde group over here. So this aldehyde group, it becomes the principal functional group, and this, and the numbering is to be done from this end. So it is at carbon number 3 we have got oxo group, so it is 3 oxo butane 1 al. One more example I have shown over here, you can see here, we have got an this is NH2 group, amine group, we have got this hydroxyl group, and we have also got this ketonic group. So out of these three, this ketonic group, it has got the highest priority. So so the numbering is to be done from that end, so that this ketonic group, it gets the lowest number. That is the carbon atom bearing this group, it should get the lowest number. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a 6 carbon compound with this ketonic group at carbon number 2. So at carbon number 3 we have got hydroxyl group, and at carbon number 4 we have got amine group. So we can name it as this is 4 amino 3 hydroxy hexane 2-one. Again you can see here, this is and another compound where I have shown here. So you can see here there are two ketonic groups, you can see here. If we number it from this side, then this ketonic group gets the position number 2, and if we number it from this side, then this carbon atom bearing this group, it gets the it gets this it gets the number 2. Now since we can number it from any, from any side, so it is immaterial here. We can number it from either from this side, or we can number it from, numbering can be done either from this side. So it is a diketo compound. So it is pentane, you can see here 2,4 dione. Now another example I have shown here, this is a cyclic compound with this is a cyclohexanone, and we have got also a hydroxyl group attached to the ring. Now since this becomes this ketonic group, it has got highest priority, and this hydroxyl group, it becomes as a substituent. So we have to number it from this side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is hexanone with this hydroxyl group at carbon number 3. So it is 3 hydroxy cyclohexanone. So this is how these carbonyl compounds which are named. So this is for today. Thank you very much.